Good morning. Hi guys. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ruth. I am Mrs. K. So today is actually a Friday. I'm starting a brand new vlog. My husband and I are actually off to our first apartment viewing. It's actually in the area that we are currently living in. We just want to keep our options open. So it's actually two houses that we're going to view. I think one after the other, and then we have this fair that we want to attend at the market. But I'll tell you guys all about it later. I need to help my husband navigate the road. Having a sandwich actually. Looks good so far. We have arrived. Oh, okay.
It's just when you go upstairs, it's just got carpets. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't know why I thought it was going to be easy for me to vlog. I completely forgot that there could be like a tenant in the house, which there was. They're not here obviously for privacy reasons, but I honestly was not feeling comfortable to vlog the house. I wasn't feeling comfortable to vlog the house, but honestly the house is not bad. But I feel like the kitchen is small. The bedrooms are extremely small. Like only one pedestal can fit in the room. And I think those are like double beds. So it's gonna be like crowded in the house. But the living room and kitchen, it's not too bad. And then it doesn't have like appliances. But I feel like for the price, remember the house that we saw, really, the one that we like, it has appliances for the same amount.
Sure.
We haven't viewed it yet. Yeah, good Newport.
Oh.
Yeah, it has appliances like a fridge, washing machine, and a stove. And then this one only comes with a stove and oven. That's it. But for the, I mean, I like the location. It looks very nice.
Yeah, it looks
very modern, quiet and clean. You know. So with this one, I absolutely love the outside. But the inside of the house, not 100%.
It's cleaning.
Not really cleaning. It's not.
The environment.
Oh, it looks clean. Yes, it definitely is clean. It's giving a very nice, quiet estate.
Someone who understands.
What's your take? Exactly. Yeah. So you can actually take a walk here. It has like a backyard, which is nice. It's a lawn, you know. So in summer, it's very close to McDonald's. I didn't close my door. Oh, this is nice actually. This one is giving Louisville. Yeah, we don't know the inside of the house yet, but from outside.
This is a 2 beds as well?
It's also 2 beds. It's just slightly bigger.
Oh yeah.
And it's quite nice because it's got a separate living,
Kitchen.
not just one.
Yeah.
And that room's quite small in the other one. So, okay.
It's a nice location.
Just Lou there.
Oh, okay.
And then,
Okay, this is nice.
yeah, as you can see, you've got this.
So a little bit.
And then under here, there's some quite nice storage. Which is always handy.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
A bit spacious.
Yeah.
So again, It's completely unfurnished,
Unfurnished,
so
that's
the
fine.
only thing that stays is
The
Just,
oven.
yeah,
the oven
just
and the
the-
hob.
Yeah. Okay. The backyard.
And then with the garden, so with this garden there's no side entrance.
Oh, you have to go
come through the house.
Yeah. The only problem with this one is the distance. Distance from the city center. Distance. It's quite far. But it's a beautiful house. I like it. I like I think I like everything about this house. It has more storage than the other house. Like storage under the stairs. There's storage in one of the bedrooms. It's not too big, but it's something. It's something to work with. The kitchen is a good size because the people currently living in have like a dining table for 4 in the kitchen, which is good. Also doesn't come with appliances, just the stove, no washing machine, no fridge. I don't know. It's a nice house though, very nice house. It reminds me very much of Louisville apartments. Yeah, also has like a nice play area for kids. It's good, it's nice. I don't know if it's something to consider, but we shall see. The lady who was assisting us says there's another house coming up closer to town. We should be able to view it probably Monday. And then we have one that we're gonna view outside of this town later today. We have another viewing on Tuesday. So I think by Tuesday we should be able to make up our minds and go for one house. And then we'll take it from there. But I was kind of hoping we'd get a house like not far from amenities and one that comes with at least a washing machine and a fridge. At the very least, one that has storage, because storage in this place, like I did say in one of my vlogs, most houses don't have like a fitted wardrobe, don't have much storage, and I'm one person who likes a clutter-free space. I don't like to see things around. I like to keep everything well packed, you know, in there. If it was up to me, I'd find a house with a pantry. I'd find one with, you know, fitted wardrobes, very big fitted wardrobes to put in your blankets, your suitcases, everything. I just don't want to see things lying there. But yeah, at least we managed to see something. And then with this, the houses that we are viewing, they're actually the ones that my husband has been using the estate agents for. They're responsible for those houses, so I think it'll be easier to process everything. But you know what? We're not gonna let that like determine where we stay. So we're gonna go to the fair now. I did say it is a king job hunting fair. Something like that. Is this where the train station is? Train station. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a job something fair. So I thought, you know what, let me just go. You never know what I learn. You never know who I meet there. So we're gonna go there now. Just past time. Our viewing is for 4:15 or 4:30 later today, but they were emphasizing that we should keep time. So I'm gonna drive there, I think, a little bit earlier. Just be somewhere in that town so that we can drive to the house and get there a little bit early. But yeah, I have a good feeling. Today started on a very good note. The fact that we haven't been getting any responses for houses. 2 weeks to D-Day, we are seeing houses, we are viewing houses. It's very, very nice. I like it. I like it for us. One other problem that we have, guys, is the deposit for these houses. Anyway, it's fine. We'll sleep on a mattress if we manage to find it. Hi.
not the way you paint the picture of me.
The market turned out to be not what we expected. Yeah, the jobs people, whatever, I had like a stall and there was no one there. Just a couple of like brochures and stuff. But yeah, there's a new store that opened, like a superstore that opened in our area. So we just checked it out, found a couple of drinks that we're not familiar with and some cookies, I think. So yeah, we got those. We're just gonna go back to the house now because I need to use the toilet. I think we're gonna chill for a bit, like 30 minutes to an hour. Ooh, the lighting. 30 minutes to an hour. Then we're gonna head to the next town and just chill there for a bit, waiting for our 4:30 appointment, the viewing. But yeah, I really like the house that we viewed, like the second house we viewed, you guys. It has so much space. Oh my god. Anyways, I'll check in with you guys a little bit later.
I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake. Play the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not possible.
This drink tastes really, really nice. It's like a mocktail, a pineapple mocktail. Perfect for sunny days like this one, though the weather is changing, but it is very refreshing. It's not that expensive. It's like 59p. So it's not bad. I love it. Taste of the Caribbean. I only brought one can. We have some time to kill. So we're quickly gonna go to Lidl. We just wanna see what Lidl has that other shops don't have. Honestly. And then we're gonna look for a tripod for the car. Because that Shein magnet thing just won't work. It already broke. So we need something for that we can put by the windscreen. Yeah. Okay.
These two are for the car air vent. They are the clip one as well. Yeah.
Do you have 360 in this ones?
Yeah. 360 not. Basically 360 means that you can rotate it.
Yeah.
Rotate it. But when you make it, you have to make it loose.
Guys, we arrived at the third location. Our appointment is for 4:10. It's currently like 3 minutes past, so it seems like there are people here already. I think we've seen like 2 groups of people already coming to view the same house. The first people, because we're standing here, they're passing by, I heard like they were not happy with the house, which made me a little bit nervous. But this house, if it's nice, it would be a perfect location. Literally, you cross the road, you're in the mall. You cross the road to the other side, you're at the train station. So it's like the perfect house. You don't have to struggle to get anything. I can literally just wake up and feel like I wanna have bread. There's no bread. Across the road, get to all the major shops, literally. So yeah, just hoping for the best. From here, I think my husband and I are gonna grab something to eat and then we're gonna go home. We have another viewing for Tuesday, but we'll see what we get up to over the weekend. Yeah.
No, we all kind of selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think.
Yes.
I'm Faith. Nice to meet you both.
Nice to meet did she say?
Okay, so as you come in, obviously you've got the hallway, you've got your living room and kitchen.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It's not bad in size again. Okay. Not bad. Yeah. The fireplace doesn't work?
No, so it's an old gas fire, so that's no longer
Oh, okay.
operation.
Okay. Okay.
Still go out through that door.
So there's no stove?
No, so there is space here for a cooker.
Yeah.
So it has to be an electric one because it's
Oh,
just the
okay.
electric
Oh.
socket there for it.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
And there's a space then for the washing machine.
Oh, okay.
I need to, I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely, leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely, you don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely, you don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
Oh my god. We are ready to go home. We went to view the other house. I honestly don't like that house. I don't like that house. The location is so perfect. Like literally, you don't need a car when you leave there. Okay, unless if you work very far. But it was the perfect location. But the inside of the house is so old. The kitchen, guys, the floor. The bathroom is the worst for me. One of the kitchen, I was willing to sacrifice it, but now I'm like, no, I don't like it. I really don't like it, so I'm definitely not gonna put in an application for that one. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait to view another house. I think there's 2 more houses that we need to view, both on Tuesday. Though we have not confirmed the time yet for the other one. But right now, so far, the second house we viewed is the one I like the most. It's just that it's far from like the city center, but it was the perfect house. It's beautiful. It's more spacious than the first one that we viewed. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. It's honestly, we could do a lot. We could work with that house. But yeah, this one that we just viewed is a definite no-no. We went to Burger King after that. We had my favorite burger, so I am so happy about that. I actually feel like taking a nap. So my husband and I are just gonna drive home now. I'm gonna take a nap. I obviously took a takeaway drink, like a Fanta. Guys, I didn't know how to operate the machine. I wanted to pour a drink for myself. I ended up pouring ice. I didn't want to throw it away. So yeah, I finally managed to get like a drink. But my husband was kind enough to get that one with the ice. Because I'm actually feeling very, very cold. I initially was just wearing this shirt. Ooh, the lighting. I was initially just wearing this shirt with the black pants and my sambas. Luckily, I took this cardigan and put it in the car. So when we got to this place, there was so much wind, like
Turn
it's
left.
so cold.
Then use the left lane to stay on the left to Mandy Way.
But anyways, let's go. Are you adding bacon?
What did she say?
Oh, nice. My husband woke up craving jalapeno fries. We're gonna attempt to make them. But I saw people make like a sauce, a cheese sauce. And our milk is expired. The same way you make white sauce, measuring a bit of flour and milk, and then add like a lot of cheese to it. So I don't know, maybe we can just use a sauce and make cheese, and then you can put it in the microwave.
We can use it.
Cheese and sauce, the bigger sauce that we have on the fries, and then microwave it, and then add the jalapeno and the bacon. I get it. Let's do this. Not bad at all.
Thank you for this meal. Thank you.
I never really said hi to you guys. This morning when we were making breakfast, I think I see a bee. My husband and I are actually going out to view the last house, and then we need to make a decision. But so far we're still leaning on that other house, the second house that we viewed. I actually feel like I look like a ghost. I'm sure you guys can't see through the camera, but our stuff hasn't arrived yet. My husband's friend actually posted them. They said they'd be here by this week Friday, so hopefully they arrive before then. But yeah, let's go view that. I actually washed my hair. It's not yet dry, but I am carrying an oil, and then once I feel like my hair is dry, I'll apply the oil. It's a sunny day today, a beautiful day. I think we're just gonna open the sunroof and just take it all in. I have my shades with me. You know, I'm just wearing this bodysuit with my nude Shein pants and my sambas. I don't know, man, I could have worn sandals. Let me just go get sandals. If I can, I'll wear them. If I don't, I'll keep my sambas with me. Anyway, let's go. We don't have anything planned, honestly, after the house viewing. It's nice. It's very nice. We managed to view the house. It's available immediately, so there was no tenant in it. Honestly, the interior is nice. But I'm concerned about the outside. So it's like a top floor apartment. So when you enter through like the outside door, there's 2 doors. You get a 1 door, and then on the first floor there's 1 tenant, and then the second floor is the house that's vacant, right? So which means from the main door there's like 4 houses or 4 tenants, 4 occupants, maybe even 8, assuming that they are all like 2-bedroom apartments. Hey, so I don't know. I have no idea, baby. So I'm not too sure how I feel about that. And then there's an issue of parking, because you need to park on the side of the road. You only do that through the council tax. You pay whatever you get the permit to pay, because you need to display it every time you park your car outside. Yeah. And then the area is obviously not as clean as the other house, the second house that we saw, the one that we're prioritizing. And now as we're here, my husband was just searching how long it will take him to get to work. From here, it's literally like, I think it's gonna be about 50 minutes to an hour from here to get to work, which honestly I don't think it's worth it. But we need to discuss it first with my husband to come up with a solution. The house would have been a plus because it comes with a fridge and a microwave, so we wouldn't have to stress about that immediately. The rent is obviously a little bit lower than the other one, the one that I call the Louisville house. But yeah, we really need to think about it and give a response latest by tomorrow morning, so that we can start processing everything. We don't even know if that Louisville house is still available. Oh my god. Anyways, we'll see. But the house is it's nice and spacious. The kitchen is not as big, but because it already has appliances, it's fine. The surroundings, no, it doesn't have a backyard garden, doesn't have anything. It's just for you to sleep, just for you to come in and sleep. The Louisville house is for you to come in and make a home, live there, spend your time there. So that's the difference. And then the Louisville house comes with 2 parking pods, like literally right in front of your house, so you're guaranteed parking. But on the downside, the Louisville house is far from the mall, far from amenities. This one is very close to the mall, very close to the train station, close to everything that you could possibly need.
When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow.
Thank you.
Staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign.
Some Korean loaded fries. And some wings. I did not expect how expensive Domino's would be. Like the pizza, a large pizza is like 25 pounds. That's like 450 bula, 470 bula, somewhere around there. Good morning, guys. I just received some packages. First up, we have this one. I think it's from Aliexpress. Just gonna open that. It's a dress. that really looked nice on the model. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's a little bit see-through though, if you guys can see that. So I think this is mainly for like vacation. I'm not gonna try it on, but I think it is my size. It'll fit me. It's a little bit stretchy. I actually got this for like 15 bula. I know it was, sorry, I got this for £1. It's a little bit stretchy, which is nice. It'll look very nice on the beach. Oh, guys, the day I go on vacation, oh my god, so exciting. I like it. I like it a lot. So Aliexpress has like a welcome deal. So they do give you options. So I opted for this dress or cover up, whatever you want to call it. And then I literally had to pay like I think it was 99p, close to £1. So yeah, it amounts to around 17 bucks if I'm not mistaken. Another package, I think this one's actually from my husband's friend. Remember we asked him to bring us some stuff from home. So this is it. He lives in a different city, so he had to post everything. Alright, it is what I was expecting. You have this CeraVe wash. Thank God I have not taken a bath today. I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna use the stuff that my face is used to. But my face was already recovering. Hey, I have been using soap on my face. Imagine. We got, I think, 3 of these. The Cetaphil Acne Prone moisturizing lotion. Yeah, that's the 3rd one. The boxes are busted. Obviously, they've come a long way. My mom gave my husband's friend her mousse because I do have like a curly wig and a straight wig. I was having trouble finding a mousse around here, but I eventually did. But the guy had left already. So this is the first wig. Obviously not in the best condition, but like with a wash and some mousse, it'll be fine for me to wear, all right? And luckily they got here when my hair was starting to look a bit messy. So I think I'll be able to wear these, obviously with a little bit of styling. Why am I even trying this on in this condition, child? I'll watch a whole lot of videos on how to style this. Since I have the time, I think I will try to do my best. I actually don't have like a hot comb or anything to install a wig, and both these wigs are frontal wigs. But I think, you know what, if we have mousse, with mousse and everything, if I could get a hot comb, not bad. And then this one I've worn before. It belongs to my mom, but I asked her to borrow it to me because I needed it the most. It's a frontal wig. She was actually wearing this one on my wedding day. So yeah, it still has a little bit of glue. I think I was the last one to install it actually. My friend installed it for me. Why does it look so bald? What happened? Oh my god, what is that? Anyways, yeah, this is the other wig. Don't have a straightener, nothing at all. I need to wash it, actually wash off the glue, but you know what, it's all right. As long as I have something here to put on my head. I can always put like a scarf if I don't want to install it, because obviously I'm only gonna do that when we leave the house, go to the malls, and then maybe to like church. Other than that, I don't usually leave the house, so I don't think I need to install the wig or the wigs. I want to wrap up this vlog. So my husband and I have actually taken the decision to move into the second house that we viewed. It looks a lot better than any other house we've viewed. It has a toilet downstairs, which I think was very important for us, guys. This whole thing of having to go to the toilet makes me lose interest in sitting in the living area, you know, because every time I need to use the bathroom I have to go upstairs. So it does have a toilet and basin downstairs. I want to give you guys like an empty apartment tour before we move in, but the whole process of finishing our house is going to be very slow. We have like other commitments and are trying to prioritize other things. So for now, I think we're just gonna get probably like a pre-loved washing machine, a bed, and a mattress. One problem with me is that I want everything, and I want everything to happen like quickly. Like I already want to see that house fully finished, looking very cute, up to something that I like, smelling good with your diffusers and, you know, candles, a cute small dining table there by the diner, because the kitchen does have like a diner. You know, my husband and I sitting in the backyard. But I know it's gonna take us months. It's gonna take us months. It's gonna take months, guys. Obviously, money is not readily available. You know, if we were catching money on trees, honestly, I think all my dreams would come true. But now I have to be a big girl and suck everything up. I know what we want to do. I know what we need to prioritize. So I'm not even gonna push it. Anyways, thank you so much, you guys, for coming along in this vlog. Yeah, thank you for your prayers. If you guys prayed for me and hope that we find a house, thank you so much. I am relieved now. We get to another phase, obviously, of trying to finish a house, and things are so expensive in this place. But you know what? By the grace of God, we're gonna make it. We're going to survive. It may be on tin stuff like tin beef and tin fish, because we don't have a fridge. But we'll survive. Honestly, we will. Who has ever died from not eating meat or not having a fridge? No one. Anyways, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Ne? Bye.